This is Queen Mary University of London, with a history dating back to 1785. Stepping onto the campus, you can see the architecture blends academic traditions with temporary influences. In 2024, what seemed like an impossible renovation task was set for the university, replacing 64 biological safety cabinets.
The initial challenges were, in order to continue doing research, we had to ensure that there were functioning MSCs. So obviously, whilst the old ones were being taken out, the new ones were being put in.
Replacing this type of equipment is challenging. It's like performing surgery. If anything went wrong during the renovation, it could lead to sample contamination, disruption of experiments, and even years of research being lost.
So the sales team in the UK works really closely with their clients. I think a big focus of the business is providing solutions rather than just selling. So when we're working with our customers and our long-term partners, we're always looking to see what their current requirements are, what their future requirements are. So when we're in meetings, when we're talking to them, we're always listening very carefully. And part of picking up this project was working so closely with Queen Mary's. As soon as the requirement came in, we captured it very quickly, and we began work on how to solve that problem for them immediately.
There wasn't a standard product that fit their requirement. However, with a collaborative approach, the global R&D team and higher Biomedical UK personnel came together to produce CAD drawings within 48 hours. They customized lightweight biological safety cabinets, with a width reduced by several centimeters, seamlessly integrating them into the original layout. Local logistics removal and installation teams work simultaneously, achieving a seamless remove old, install new process, compressing what would have taken weeks into the shortest possible window, with experimental samples never leaving the laboratory.
Hire's very friendly. Keegan, we dealt with Keegan. Keegan was very. He got back in touch with us very fast in a very quick fashion, and he was always good at being able to answer our questions, either via email or on the phone.
From being a supplier of equipment to becoming a collaborator in the scientific research journey, this project helped Hire Biomedical build trust within UK academia. Subsequently, Imperial College London proactively reached out, hoping to adopt the same solution. This is a concrete embodiment of the one country, one strategy approach, diving deep into the actual scenarios of each laboratory, starting from the details to meet real existing needs.
In the UK, I think what we want to continue to do is broaden our product mix into the UK market. So, as we know, we're always bringing new product to market, and our portfolio is growing. So we want to continue to broaden that mix that we sell into the UK market.
The centimetre-led challenge of QMUL supported an approach by Imperial College London for a similar scale project. It shows how over the last 10 years, the business has embedded itself within life science and research, and is now a respected supplier to many renowned institutions. These real-life scenarios show how Hire Biomedical's technologies help protect every centimetre and guard every minute, winning the hearts of UK customers